Today we have received our laptop from the outer box is from Flipkart and quality of the box is quite low, but the inside the Acer branded boxes are quite good. The laptop is packaged in a secured manner. This is a open box delivery we received from Flipkart. So here is the AC charger. With a traditional pin and along with the AC cord. Documentations like the user manual, which is a very helpful part of every package we receive online, because by following it we need to turn on the device. And there is another envelope inside the box. So let us see what's inside. Okay, these are the warranty card and the terms and condition sheet. So all this documentation, as I said, these are the part of the documentation stuff. Yeah. Now let's check the main unit. What? So yes, they have packaged it in a very secure manner, and this is a it's a brand new Acer Aspire 7 laptop with the Intel Core i5 processor, which is best known for its high performance, and along with the NVidia graphics card GTX1650. The top cover is a aluminum one, or it comes with the Wi-Fi 6 and HDMI 2.1, Thunderbolt 4, like, comment, share and subscribe for more videos.